In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink an account in the TikTok Business Center. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure that your account management stays smooth and effective. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the TikTok Business Center. This is where all your account management activities happen. Once you're there, log in using your admin credentials. It's crucial to use the right credentials because permissions for unlinking are only available to users with admin access. Once logged in, you'll see a detailed dashboard that provides access to various features and options. Next, you'll want to find the Assets menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it and then go to TikTok Accounts. This section will show you all the TikTok accounts that are currently linked to your business center. It's essentially your control hub for managing these accounts, providing a concise view that helps in decision making. After reaching this section, identify the specific TikTok business account you'd like to unlink. There might be several accounts listed, so take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Once you found it, look for the three dots next to the account name. This is where you'll find additional options for that particular account. Click on the three dots and you should see options like Unlink Account or Remove from Business Center. Select the appropriate option that you want to proceed with. It's important to mention that unlinking an account will restrict your access to it and might affect any campaigns or interactions managed through the Business Center. After selecting to unlink or remove, a pop-up confirmation will typically appear. This is your chance to review any warnings concerning potential access or permission changes. This step ensures that you're making an informed decision and are aware of the implications. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm. This action will finalize the process of unlinking the account. Finally, to verify that everything has been processed correctly, refresh the TikTok Business Center page. Once refreshed, navigate back to the TikTok account section. Ensure that the account you unlinked is no longer visible in the list. This confirms that the process was successful and that your business center is now configured according to your requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully unlinked an account from TikTok Business Center. Remember, managing your business accounts on TikTok efficiently is key to harnessing the platform's full potential for your marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out the TikTok Business Center's support resources, which are there to guide you. Thanks for tuning in.